Ghaziabad's dining scene represents a lively fusion of culinary tradition, blending the best of North Indian street fare, bold Mughlai flavors, and contemporary casual dining. From heritage thalis and hearty kebabs to chic rooftop spots and comforting pure veg cafes, the city serves up both nostalgic flavors and modern flares. Whether you are craving classic street snacks or family-style feast, these top-end restaurants deliver memorable meal in distant setting. The first one is the rooftop debut. Perched atop Gore City Mall, this rooftop gyms serve global cuisine with sipping city panoramas. Expect a menu ranging from Indian and Asian specialties to grilled platters, perfectly paired with cocktails or fine wines. Soft lighting and elevated view create a romantic ambience ideal for sunset dinners. Attentive service and tasteful decor complete the upscale experience, a go-to destination for memorable evenings. The second one is Sultan. Nested in the Radisson Blu, Sultan dishes out elegant North Indian and Mughlai flair. The sophisticated setting features plush seating and ambient lighting, ideal for family or celebratory meal. Expect rich curries, aromatic biryanis, and exquisite kebabs served with gracious hospitality. For those seeking refined Indian cuisine in a polished atmosphere, Sultan excels in culinary refinement and consistency. The third one is Canteen and Sweets by Carlson. Inside the Canteen and Sweets in Sahibabad, these inviting restaurants offer a mix of Indian and Asian flavors in a contemporary setting. Its buffet and a la carte selections serve both local favorites and global comfort dishes, making it suitable for relaxed lunches or family dinners. Modern interiors and courteous service enhance the experience, making it a welcoming spot for casual yet elevated dining. The fourth one is the Reader's Cafe. This cafe is a hidden gem for book lovers and casual diners alike. Nested among bookshelves, the cafe serves comfort food, pizza, wrap, freshly brewed coffee, and baked treats in a warm, wooden-tuned setting. Whether you are catching up on reading or catching up with friends, the inviting atmosphere and creative decor combine for thoughtful, relaxed dining. The fifth one is Walk in the Woods. Dine amid a thematic forest setting where lush greenery and rustic wooden decor evoke a charming wilderness feel. The menu offers a fusion of Indian and Asian dishes served in a creatively immersive environment. Cool mocktails, dim lighting, and natural texture bring the fantasy to life. It's a spot where storytelling meets dining, perfect for date nights or adventurous gatherings. The next one is the Yellow Chili. Chef Sanjeev Kapoor's brand bring high quality North Indian and Chinese dishes to Pacific Mall. Enjoy classics like flavorful curries and tandoori delights in a modern air conditioned setting. The vibrant decor and menu variety cater to both families and casual get togethers. It blends comfort with contemporary and Indian cuisine in a convenient mall location. The next one is Gola Sizzlers. Known for its vibrant ambience and lively decor, this family-friendly spot serves sizzling platters of North Indian, Mughlai, Chinese, and continental dishes. Generous portion, animated plating, and playful presentation make meals here both delicious and entertaining. It is perfect for casual group dinners where variety, value, and a festive vibe matter most. The next one is Sky House. This stylish rooftop lounge is a hotspot for nightlife lovers. The menu merges international dishes with signature cocktails, Long Island iced tea, pina colada, and more served amid live music and club-style lighting. It blends party energy with culinary creativity, ideal for evening that blend dining, drinks, and dancing under the stars. The second last is Pind Baluchi, a rich spot offering Punjabi and Mughlai comfort food in a warm traditional ambience. Expect rich gravies, tandoori specials, refreshing drinks like jaljeera, and generous hospitality. This restaurant is a wholesome retreat for family and friends craving earthy flavors in a casual yet vibrant environment. The last one is Club 8 Pure Vegetarian, a trendy all vegetarian restaurant offering North Indian, continental, and global dishes in a modern, chic setting. Enjoy inventive vegetarian plates, mocktails, and live music that elevate dining into an experience. The ambience is relaxed, yes, contemporary, a great choice for groups or casual night out while staying strictly vegetarian. Here are some tips for dining in Ghaziabad. Evenings and weekends are when the restaurants in Ghaziabad see the biggest crowds, especially rooftop dining spots like Rooftop The View. To enjoy a relaxed meal with minimal waiting time, plan early dinner on weekends or reserve a table in advance for weekends. This is especially useful if you are traveling in group or planning a special occasion. Explore beyond the rooftops. While rooftop venues are a highlight for their ambience, Ghaziabad also offers charming cafes and casual dining spots that shouldn't be missed. Places like the Reader's Cafe are perfect for book lovers seeking cozy quiet corner, while Handi Halvedali is ideal for family-style feast with hearty buffet. Don't just stick to one type of venue, mix your choice to enjoy both fine dining and homely flavors. Ghaziabad is known for its North Indian and Mughlai richness. When at Sultan, don't shy away from ordering signature dishes like kebabs, dal makhani, or paneer delicacies. For vegetarian, kathi roll and thalis here provide authentic and filling meals. Ghaziabad's food scene beautifully mirrors its culinary blend, where generational flavors served alongside modern culinary experiments. Whether you are hearty desire kebabs by sunset or a cozy cafe hideaway, these top 10 restaurants showcases the city's variety and spirit.